Today, we're going to repair and upgrade our Bluetooth headphones by replacing the damaged wire with one from an old hands-free. This is a great way to extend the life of your headphones without spending extra money on repairs or replacements. First, let's carefully open the Bluetooth headphones. Depending on the design, you may need a small screwdriver or a pry tool to separate the casing without causing any damage. Be gentle, as some models have delicate internal components that could be easily dislodged. Once the casing is open, locate the damaged wire. You will typically find it connecting the internal circuit board to the speakers. Before removing anything, take a picture or make a note of how the original wire is connected. This will help ensure you reconnect everything correctly later. Now, let's prepare the replacement wire from the old hands-free. Cut off the connectors from both ends, then strip the outer insulation to reveal the internal wires. You will usually find multiple thin wires inside, each coated in a different color for identification. Strip the insulation off these as well to expose the bare metal. Once you've identified the correct matches, solder the new wire securely to the headphone circuit board or speaker terminals. If you don't have a soldering iron, you can twist the wires together and use electrical tape, but soldering is the best way to ensure a solid and long-lasting connection. After making the connections, test the headphones before sealing them back up. Connect them to your device and play some audio to check if both sides are working properly. If you notice any issues, double-check the wiring and resolder if necessary. Finally, once everything is working as expected, carefully close the casing and secure it back in place. If needed, use a small amount of adhesive to hold everything together firmly.